Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use Payactiv in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for payday and want to access your earned wages early, Payactiv is a game changer. It's an app that lets employees get advances on their pay, helping with unexpected expenses without the hassle of loans. With the 2025 updates, it's even more user-friendly and secure. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it right away. First things first, you need to sign up. Download the Payactiv app from your app store or visit their website. If your employer is partnered with Payactiv, you'll get an invite link. Use that to create an account. Enter your details like your name, email, and work information. Once you're in, verify your identity, which might involve a quick ID check or linking your bank account. Next, log in to the app. Use your credentials, and you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see your available earned wages. Payactiv calculates this based on hours you've worked. In 2025, they've added real-time updates, so it's super accurate. To request an advance, tap on the Advance button, select the amount you need, usually up to 50% of your earned wages, and choose your repayment method. You can set it to deduct from your next paycheck or pay it back manually. One of the cool 2025 features is the budgeting tools. The app now integrates with popular banks for better financial insights, helping you track spending and avoid overdrafts. Always check for any fees. Most advances are fee-free if you're within limits, but read the terms. Finally, once you get your advance, use it wisely and monitor your account. Payactiv makes it easy to build better financial habits. If you run into issues, their customer support is top-notch. Give Payactiv a try in 2025. It's a smart way to manage your money. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.